this video, I'll be showing you how to create an online course for free with System.io. Before we start, hurry up and check out the software just under this video. Let's get started. Now, in this case, in order for you to create a course here, what we need to do first is you want to go and just create your System.io account. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to go to the top right here. As you can see, this is where our assets are. Now, you want to go ahead and choose courses. Now, under courses, what we need to do is we want to go and click on add new course at the top right of your screen. Now, from here, we need to add a name for our course and also the URL path for it. So let's just say that we are going to create a course about creating a YouTube channel. And from here, you want to go ahead and add your URL. So you can go ahead and just use whatever you want. Let's just say creating channel YouTube and then a name. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on save. Now, by the way, you could go and choose your domain here if you have other options. But for now, we are good. Let's go ahead and click on save. Now from here, as you can see, we've just saved our course. Now, by the way, on the previous window, you could also choose the theme that you may want to use here. So they have a bunch of themes or colors here that you could choose from. But we are good. Let's go ahead and access our course. Now from here, let's go and click on our course here to see what it actually looks like. Now, courses actually contains different modules, which in this case, in order for you to fully complete your YouTube channel or your course here, you want to add your in this case, modules. Let's go and click on the first option here. Let's go and click add module. Let's go add our first module here, which in this case, creating your Google account. And let's go and click on save. Now, once you've added your course, as you can see, or in this case, your module here, what we need to do is you want to go and add your lecture. Let's go and click on add lecture. Now, you can add the name for it, like for example, creating, or let's just say like choosing your email address. And you can go and add your delay here. Now, if you want to enable comments, you can go and click on this one, and you can go and choose your template. Now, in that case, maybe I want to use the one that has a video on it. Let's go and click on select template and click on save. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go and just click on our, in this case, lecture. And in your lecture here, you could go ahead and just basically start organizing the information. Now, in here, first is going to be the video. Now, the great thing about System.io here is whenever you click on the elements that you've added in here, as you can see, you now have the option to further customize it. Like, for example, for video here, you could go and just choose either a direct link, so from YouTube directly, or custom embed here, or you could also upload a file. Now, depending on what you choose here, you'll have the options to basically upload your file. Now, from here, you should see the video section. Click on the upload button here. Click on select file. And basically choose your YouTube video. Click on, or your video here. Click on open. And from here, it should start uploading your video. Now, once it's actually fully uploaded, you should be able to add this into your lecture here. Now, this might take a while depending on how big your file is. But as you can see, we have it in here. Let's go and select, let's go and click on insert. And we've just inserted our video. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and basically adjust a few things, like if you want to make it autoplay, add some thumbnails on it, and a lot more. Now, as you can see, there are text here that you could edit. So the great thing with this one, again, you just need to click on it, and you can basically edit the actual text and add whatever you want. Just start typing here. Now, in this case, you could also change the font size, line height, letter spacing, the color for your text here, and the padding for it. So obviously, there are going to be a lot of customization you could do here. Now, if you want to change the text here, as you can see for the header here, you could go ahead and just basically choose one, like choosing your, should we have this correctly spelled, choosing your email address. And you can just add whatever you want. Now, if you want to add a new element or a new element here, you can just go ahead and click on the empty sections here, and you should be able to see it in here. As you can see right now, you can add other things like a button, social media here, Facebook comments, share buttons, cut downs, and whatever. So, for example, maybe we want to add another or a bulleted list. You can just drag it in here, and you can just basically add it in whatever way you want. Like for example, in here, let's go and add it in this section here. As you can see, we've just added our bulleted list. Now, if you want to add like really customize or really basically organize how your lecture is going to look like, you could go to the column layout here, and you just basically drag it in here if you want to add them, like really customize how they're going to look like. Great thing about this one is, by the way, you could go ahead and just basically move it into the row that we just recently added. Now, if you want to, as you can see right now, So make sure that you insert inside of it, as you can see right now. And also you can rearrange a few things here. Like for example, you can go ahead and just put it up. As you can see right now, you can rearrange them by this way as well. But as long as you press and hold on their title here, you won't have any problems basically moving them around. Now, this is true for any elements that you see here, even like this text here. You can move this around if you want to. But if you want to make it a lot easier, you just hover over it. You could go and just make it downwards, or move it around, as you can see right now, or in this case, move it manually here. So yeah, so once you're done, you can go and click on save at the top right here. And if you want to view this in a specific format, like for example, you want to view this or preview this, so you can go and click on the play button at the top right, and it should show you a preview of your current lecture. As you can see right now, this is what's going to look like in desktop. Now, if you want to view this in mobile, you can go and click on the mobile version here. You can go edit that if you want. But yeah, so let's go and click on exit page. Now, the thing with this one is, as you can see, this is our current module. Now, if you want to basically like duplicate or get the same format, you go to the right side here, go and click on settings, and basically change a few things in here. As you can see right now, you could go ahead and create a quiz for this one if you want. You can edit this if you want, but yeah. Same thing applies here. If you click on the three dot option here, you have the option to duplicate the actual lecture that we just created. Click on duplicate, click on confirm, and that should create a duplicate for us, and you can just rename this as you would by clicking on it, or clicking on the three dot option at the left side here. Like also access your settings at the top left here. You can go and change the title for it, and all of those things. Let's go back in here. Now let's go back to a previous page here, and yeah. Now in this case, if you want to basically add students here, you could go ahead and basically activate this first. So you could go and view and customize view and customize team here if you want to customize your actual team. So this is how you do it. So as you can see right now, this is what it's going to look like. You go and click on edit team settings there, and obviously you can change the colors for this one, course block background, all of those things. But as long as you click on save at the bottom right here, you should be saved. You can also change to a different team here: classic, teal, purple, green, beige, and a lot more. So yeah, let's go and click on students here, top right. So in this case, this is where your students are currently in for this specific, or your students currently for your account here. Now, if you click on settings at the top right here, you now have the option to change a few things like the instructor name here, the description, course domain, the team that they are using, teacher's photo, logo, course cover, sales page here. So you could go and choose a funnel if you want, and also embed HTML or JS code here, email reminders, and all of those, and also like certificate settings here if you want to, like for example, upload a certificate logo and signature for this one. So they will automatically create that for you. So you can go back one page here. Now, the thing with this one is, in order for you to activate a course here, you just need to click on the check at the right side here. So currently it's inactive. So you want to go to the three option here, click on activate, so that you could actually activate this. Click on confirm. And once it's actually activated, you should be able to add students here. Now, in this case, let's go back to courses here, see how it's going to look like. As you can see right now, we need to also activate our actual course. Let's go and activate, click on confirm. And once it's actually activated, and click on that course here, you should be able to add your students here. But obviously, you need to add further content here in order for you to basically access this feature. So go ahead and just start adding your content here. It's best that you add everything first before viewing them as a whole. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.